Greetings everyone, Eric here and welcome back to another video. In this one, we'll be taking a look at a really nice pen tablet from a newcomer in the tablet market. Xencelabs, yes, that is how you pronounce that, is a US-based company made up of experienced digital artists who seem to want to provide artists with high-quality drawing tools. You can check out their About section on their website to learn a bit more about who they are. The product we'll be looking at today is the first tablet they have released, which is a medium-sized pen tablet with an active area of 10.33 inches by 5.8 inches. That makes this a 16:9 ratio, thus matching the most common ratio of a display people will have in their home. You can buy this in two ways, one being the tablet on its own, or you can buy a bundle deal that comes with their quick key remote. I received the bundle box, which was graciously sent over to me by the folks at Xencelabs, so a huge thank you to them for letting me have this opportunity. Price-wise, these products are definitely competing head-on with Wacom's professional line of Intuos tablets, as the medium tablet by itself costs $280, while the bundle costs $360. The price of the tablet itself lines up with the Intuos Pro Small from Wacom. At this price point, you definitely expect a high build quality and great features, and let me tell you, Xencelabs definitely delivers on that front, especially with what it can do, but we'll get to that in a moment. Firstly, let's go to unboxing. After peeling away the plastic wrap so we don't get an annoying glare, the box itself is very nicely designed. It has a cardboard sleeve on the outside, which is not too flashy, shows you exactly what you're getting, but not just a brown box. Taking off the sleeve and to reveal the actual box, which even it is a nice matte black, we can open the box to be greeted with a lovely thank you card, with said thank you written in different languages. On the back of the card is written some helpful links to the website for your quick start guide and support. Beneath that, we have the tablet itself wrapped up nicely with plastic for protection. We'll come back to that in a little bit. Removing this little divider, we can see a very nice carrying bag. It has a front pocket to hold the accessories of the tablet, and then a very lovely cushioned pocket that holds the tablet itself and closes with Velcro. Next up, we have a box which holds an artist's drawing glove and two USB Type-C cables, one with a 90-degree end and the other with a straight end. We'll get back to the relevance of that later. After that is a pen holding case, which houses two stylus pens. One is a more normal pen with a slightly fatter head, as well as a thinner pen. These are both included with the tablet, even if you buy the tablet on its own, and they both have eraser ends like you get with any Wacom tablet. You also have extra nibs, some of which are felt, and two USB dongles. Again, we shall return to this in a moment. Finally, we have the Quick Keys remote that is included in this bundle that they sent me. Okay, before I actually show off the tablet, I think it's important for me to discuss the coolest feature of this tablet. The tablet itself, as well as the Quick Key remote, are entirely wireless. That's right, out of the box, these do not need to be connected to your computer directly. Instead, do you remember those USB dongles from the pen case? Well, those connect to your computer. One is a standard Type A dongle, and the other is a Type A to Type C adapter, which lets you connect it not only to a Type C port on your computer, but even to your mobile device. Now, I'm not able to really test the mobile abilities, as my phone and Galaxy Tab A are pretty old and just don't seem to like trying out features like this. If I find any other YouTubers who have tested that function, I'll be sure to put a link to those videos in the description so you can see if this feature is something you want. When compared to Wacom's products, we have two main competitors. The Intuos M Bluetooth, which is $200, comes with just one pen, has an 8.5 by 5.3 active area, and the pen has only 4,096 levels of pen pressure. For a more premium comparison, you have to go up to the Intuos Pro Medium, which is around $380, is not wireless, comes with a single pen, 8192 levels of pressure, and has a similar 8.83 inch by 5.83 inch active area. The Xencelabs at its $280 price point gets you full wireless capabilities, 2 pens, the carrying bag, and a 10.33 by 5.8 active area, and 8192 levels of pressure. If we take into consideration the very high build quality of the Xencelabs, it really does become the all-around better price to performance in the higher end market, with the bundle being $20 cheaper than the Intuos Pro M. It's just a far better value. All right, let's come back to the physical products. Firstly, the cool Quick Keys remote. The Quick Keys remote is, as its name implies, a nice remote control that lets you program the buttons to perform certain shortcuts. It also has a lovely dial wheel, which can be used for zooming, page rotation, or brush size changes, and has a button in the middle of the wheel to swap between these functions on the fly. This can also be reprogrammed. Oh, did I mention that the remote has a freaking screen on it? That's right, it has a built-in screen which tells you what each button is programmed to do. All of this is customizable too in the driver's software. The button at the bottom is how you switch between different presets you can make, so you can have it set different for different sets of actions or programs. Fun note, when I first connected this to my computer and loaded up Clip Studio Paint, it actually recognized the program and automatically swapped to a preset it already has for the program. It was so cool. Also, is it just me, or does this look like it'd make for a cute little console controller? Just me? All right, now finally onto the tablet itself. As stated before, the build quality feels so premium. The tablet is super sturdy. The surface feels smooth to the touch, but still provides a little resistance so the pen has a natural feel. At the top of the tablet are 3 buttons, which start off with simple functions, but can be completely reassigned to whatever you'd like. Even further on top, we have the power switch and 2 LED lights, green for power and blue to confirm you are connected to a device. Then next to that is the Type-C connection for plugging it into your computer to either use or just to charge the device. Also, holy crap, this thing is so thin and yet doesn't feel flimsy at all. All right, enough of me gushing and all the technical talk. Let's slide over to me setting up the drivers and then actually drawing a picture with this thing while I tell you my final thoughts. Okay, so the reason I'm showing you this setup is because it has a guided setup. And it actually kind of basically runs through some of the very basics on how to set up your tablet with the wireless system and the drivers. So it shows you, hey, we don't see your device yet, and then that makes you go, okay, let me turn it on, let me turn things on, make sure everything's working. I just wanted to show you that this thing actually walks you through the steps to make sure that you have everything set up very nicely with a guided tour, and I really appreciate that, as most drivers seem to just go with a simple click, install, wait a moment, all right, it's done. So this is just something I very much appreciate. All right, so this is me drawing a picture. I'm sorry I didn't get the sketching phase. I was having some recording issues, so unfortunately I didn't get that phase, except for this ending bit. But I did get all of the inking and the coloring. So anyway, what are my final thoughts on this product? Well, first off, I just want to make a quick kind of disclaimer. I do not see this as a product for beginners and new people who are just getting into the whole pen market because of the cost. This is a premium item. This is for professionals, and it feels like it. Like I cannot stress enough how good this thing feels to hold. I don't know what the materials are made out of. I did send them an email asking them, but they hadn't gotten back to me yet. Especially now that it's the weekend when I'm recording this, so that was my fault. But it feels very sturdy. It feels like it could be made out of like some type of aluminum or something. That's just how sturdy it feels. The materials are very soft, but have a good amount of texture for the pen. The buttons feel really good and tactile. I love the screen that's on the little Quick Keys remote. It's just so many cool attention to details. The fact that it's wireless, it can be connected to your phone. And all of this while being able to effectively beat Wacom for like a price to performance value there. And that's amazing, because for the longest time, Wacom was the only one who was really dealing in that really upper end of premium products for professionals, where it was like, no, you're paying a premium, but you're getting a premium product. But I feel like they're premium has kind of gone down since all these other companies have been really working hard to make better and better products, like, you know, companies from like Huion and XP Pen and all. So to see a company, a US-based company, come out swinging this hard with their first product being a premium product with a premium price tag, but feeling every bit as premium, that is fantastic. And it's great competition for some of these companies to hopefully, you know, basically realize they need to step up their game and really give you what you're paying for, and especially in an economy like the way we are right now, where it's really hard to afford these kind of things. But like I said, if you are a beginner, this is not for you. This is a professional tool. Like, to me, this is like you're ready to go pro, and so you want to get the next step up, and you still want to use a graphics tablet. If you are a very beginner, I would highly suggest you go and get a $70 to $80 tablet from Huion or XP Pen or Parblo. To start out with. That way you get a good size, you get about this same size, maybe even a little bit bigger, and it allows you to have time to learn and teach yourself how to draw digitally without being able to see your hands while you're drawing, because that's the only disadvantage of a pen tablet. Now, obviously the advantage is that you can carry this with your laptop anywhere, and it's just super portable. It is amazingly portable. So if you're a professional and you're looking for a professional tool that you can carry around with you, obviously if you can't really afford one of the screen tablets, or some of the screen tablets, even the small ones, they can be bulky because they do still need power. This is a great option, especially if it's something you're already used to. So that's kind of my thoughts on this. I can highly recommend this for professionals or people who are about to take that next step and are willing to put the investment in for their job and for what they're about to do. Now, I have talked with the company. I do know that they are probably, they're most guaranteed working on a screen tablet model, and I would love to get my hands on that when it eventually comes out, because I feel like Wacom really needs a lot more competition, and so do XP Pen and Huion and all them. Like, they've been competing with each other, but having this great bridge between the more budget-friendly products and the big dog up at the top premium product, having a company come in and step up and kind of add to that premium side of things is really good for the market and really good for us users, because it creates the competition. It forces companies to want to give you better value. Like this product, it gives you an amazing value. So I hope you can understand that and see that what this product is offering is really giving you what you're paying for. And this is a very unscripted section, so sorry for the rambling, but I just wanted to make that very clear that I welcome this. I welcome this company, and I hope that they do well, because it means the better for all of us as users. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you check the description for links to both where you can buy this product as well as their website and all that other stuff. Make sure you leave a comment on what you think of the tablet, on some things you would like to see me draw in the future, some products that you would like to see me work with, and all that other stuff. All links and stuff in the descriptions and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.